Hello once again. And the reason 9 for polishing your shoes today is all about not the example as of yesterday that you set to other people, but the example you set to yourself. And it's all about, if you've taken the trouble to polish your shoes, highly polish them, make them nice and comfortable, and they look good, you're not going to go around in a pair of trousers with your backside hanging out of them, are you? You're going to wear smart clothes. You're going to be clean. One of my favourite books is by J.P. Dunleavy. It's called The Unexpurgated Code, and I've always remembered a line from it. He says, if you wish to sally forth in everyday life and do well, it is better to avoid stinking to high heaven. So get a shower, change your clothes every day, polish your shoes, and make sure that you've looked after your kit. Iron, learn to iron, or in my case, get really lucky and marry someone who's very good at it. And if your kit's looked after, you're going to present a much nicer picture, and you're going to feel better about it too. So if you polish your shoes, you're setting an example to yourself, you're leading by that example, and you will look smart. Now that's one coat of this nourishing cream polish, and I'm going to put a second coat on and allow that to dry and buff it too. You don't need too much of it, but it feeds the leather just as the Renovateur has done, gives it a good coat, adds the pigment and makes it ready for the next stage, which you will see tomorrow when I give you reason 10 for polishing your shoes. Join me tomorrow. Thanks for watching.